Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I like to make sure everything is secure. So that's why I really like these Cheaplights heavy duty clamps. Now these are not cheaply made. These are, like they say, heavy duty clamps. They are super strong. I got a photography backdrop lighting stand, and they did come with clamps, but I felt it wasn't enough. And there were certain parts of the pole of the backdrop that the clamps seemed a little too small to really get a good grip on it. So I really liked these clamps. I like that they stand out from the other ones, so it's easy for me to grab the right one that I need, depending on where on the pole I'm trying to clamp this to. It's almost difficult to open it, and once you get it clamped around the pole, you can be confident that it's not going anywhere. And give me real peace of mind when I'm setting up a backdrop or clamping any of my photography equipment down. I can have complete confidence that this is going to get the job done. I think these are a great thing to have. Obviously, there are many uses for it. This is the main reason why I use these, and I really think it's going to be good for anyone in any household. And that's my point of view.